All right, let's go. Let's do a quick little announcement. I've been pumping up, man. Talk to you. This has really been good. Really pushing. Hey, we had a super extension of. Doesn't mean we're reverse, but it's a chance, right? Nice chance here. Especially with this divergence here. Divergence going. Could be nice. Could be nice. Let's see here, especially with news coming out. Let's see what kind of news. I'm looking at the S&P. We're gonna be looking at the Nasdaq as well. Crazy work. All right. Right. Really crazy. We had a R2 pivot already as well early in the month. We'll see. Watching this. Possibly a drop here, depending especially on the news. I'm really wondering though how this thing is gonna turn out, especially being up here on the ES. I kind of use the ES as the like a gauge, like a benchmark, right? What's going on, James? So yes, we're up here, man. That's a major confluence here, man. So we're gonna be watching this thing, especially. Had some nice moves last week for sure. Look at the Nazi. Nazi, we're almost there, possibly. See here. Want to really be watching this area here. I used to use a lot of like ICT concepts, and then I kind of just simplified it, man. Once I simplified it, I mean, as price goes up, you need to buy, right? Then as it drops, right, breaks these lows, I mean, it goes down, right? As far as like levels, I mean, they just kind of, you could get into that type of stuff. I used to really get into it. I knew all the different like fair value gaps, all of that type of stuff, man. I had to simplify it though, man. Right, simplify it, kind of make it my own, really. Right, I learned a lot, really, just how to analyze, right? Once you really learn how to analyze, right, and then make it your own, that really helps. All right, so NQ, we're just really back up here. Looks like we're gonna kind of start tanking down here. Right, we're holding that 23,300 area. 23,300s. And right here, we're watching really for that 30,000. 30,000 is the real number, man. We want to see if we can break and hold above that 30,000. Go ahead, Mark. Well, I'm thinking it's going to be based on the news flows, right? News flows. Man. Trump can say anything. Try and make it pretty. If we could break and hold above 30,000, I mean, further upside, of course. But hey, right now we're just in a. All right, so kind of play your scalps, right? Play your scalps, play them smart, right? Play your scalps, play them smartly, right? But with the S&P, man, up here, the way it is, right? S&P up here, man. Go ahead and get rid of the pick. We're right up here, the super extension up here. Like I said, this doesn't mean sell, right? But it does mean, right? That 8,000 up here. I'll see how this kind of starts to react, right? If we can get some breaking holds, but got some major divergence going on, right? Major divergence, right? So it could be doing some trappy type of stuff. Want to be careful up in this area. Definitely want to be careful up in it. Right. Look at gold. What I'm gonna do before I go to gold, let's look at the US dollar. US dollar's back in its range, actually. Back into the range. Let's go to a month. I was looking at here on the dollar though, right? Barely came. We came to the 75, didn't quite get to the 78, 786, right? Now, if this tanks, man, we could see a nice upside dependent, right? Right. Right. I'm gonna be watching this here. This could be further pushing gold as well, right? Further pushing out gold, further to the upside. But gold, I was looking for a sale. I was looking for sales last week. Clearly, once we broke out of this range here, right, it was really upsides on. We had a major point here. See, we kind of ranged out here. I don't like this gap really. Like this. Kind of held this gap area. I wonder though, man, because I mean, Trump could literally come on and tweet. He could say anything. If you always don't know, make sure you're watching Truth Social. Truth Social, man, he comes out in the middle of the day, in the middle of the night, anytime, man, and he'll just say something and the market will crazily, violently react, right? So if you're not watching that, make sure you're always watching Truth. Watch his page, man, right? He'll come out and literally say anything, man. Any and everything. So gold further to the upside. I'm gonna be looking at this gold though, man. Right, and if you don't know, all these markets are kind of interrelated, really. Right? We had a major area here on gold, right, from last week. Major area. Kind of start lining up with our pivots. Right? Kind of pivots, a monthly pivot. Got Asian session just started really as well. Like I say, for NQ, I'll go ahead and draw the profiles here. Profile set up here. I'll just draw. Lot of